Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create human talking photos in Talking Photos version 3. First of all, let me show you two versions of a human talking photo. I'm going to call them version 2 versus version 3.
Hey guys, this is Anthony. I generated this specific image from an original photo of mine using AI. The image turned out pretty accurate, and then I took this image and converted it into a talking photo. The text-to-speech is my own AI-generated cloned voice. If you would like to learn more about talking photos, please check my step-by-step tutorials.
I personally prefer the version 3 talking photo because it looks more natural compared to version 2. Also, I don't like the abrupt zoom cuts that you may have noticed. There were two of them. You can still create human talking photos using version 2, and you can check this tutorial at the end of this video, but I'll show you another option which I personally prefer. So I'm logged into my Talking Photos account. This is the home page. So click on Create Video at the top, and you'll see this pop up with these options. You can create talking, singing, and dancing photos, and I've created separate tutorials for each of these options. Ideally, you would choose this option to create human talking photos, but in this tutorial, I'll choose this singing version 3 option. In step number 1, you need to choose a style. There are 3 styles here. If you choose this option, just make sure that you use an image like this, which is a close-up. And if you use this option, you can use a waist-up image like this one. So I'll choose this one, and then click Next. In step number 2, you need to choose the aspect ratio. You can create horizontal and vertical videos. I'll choose vertical, which is 9:16 aspect ratio, and then click on Create New Character. In step 3, you generate the face of the character. If you're generating your character from scratch, you can use these drop downs to choose the gender, and then choose human, 3D cartoon, or animal. And then in this box, you would enter the image prompt. In my case, I'm going to use my photo, so I'll just type recreate this image. You can also try using reuse this image. And then down below, you can drag and drop your image here, or click this button, which is what I'll do. And then I'll navigate to the folder on my computer. I'll choose my image, and then click on Open. So here is the uploaded image. And then I'll click on Generate. It'll then start generating the image, so just give it a few seconds. And sometimes this process can take about a minute or so just be patient. And here is the generated image. Now this one looks a bit younger than I would like it to, but you can always regenerate if you want to. I'm just going to use this image for the purpose of this demo, and then click on Next. In step 4, you need to choose the audio file. You can import an audio file from your computer by clicking this Import Audio button, and then you'll see this dialog box. Click on the text-to-speech folder, then click on Upload File, and then drag and drop your audio file here. In my case, I already uploaded my audio file, so I'm just going to scroll down, and then I'll choose it, and then click on Select. So here is the imported text-to-speech audio, and then I'll click on Next. In the final step, you render the MP4 video. So I'll give it a project name, and then click on Render Video. It'll bring you to this page, and then you can click on Go to My Videos, where you'll see the status of the video rendering. And then once completed, you can use these buttons to play, download, clone, or delete the project. And this one rendered in about 4 minutes. But that's pretty much it. You can get talking photos for a one-time discounted price for a limited time. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.